Amanda, can you unplug me? Just for a minute, I need some privacy. Headset off and stretch your neck out. Down the rocks to her head safe house. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleed and shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. You really make a heart feel like a lady. Fingers apart, cold, rugged, waiting. I can't believe that you lied. Did you know where to find me? I get the feelings and I really thought it cost me. Drops in her goggles aren't of love, and something's really wrong and it feels awful. And even though her body is back to normal, she once wasn't feeling it. It's hiding in her soul. I don't wanna know what she's not who I am. At least that's what I thought. Now I'm second guessing. I can't put my gun down. My suit's getting heavy. Something wants to be released. Something dark inside me. Dark familiar. Something dark familiarity. Something dark inside me. Dark familiarity. Something dark inside me. Dark familiarity. She opened her eyes and watched the ruins and thought of the life that I love to lose. She shook out her lenses, they want her back soon. The moments alone becoming scarce and few. Sure she could fight, but she's getting vision. These are unspeakable and personal details. She couldn't pose a threat to the ghost like this. You rescued her once, now it's your turn to save him. I can't believe that you're not, that you know where to find me. Drops in her goggles aren't of love, but something's really wrong and it feels awful. Yeah, I remember it all. Bleed and shut out my calls. The air was so dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never